The mind was heavy with echoes of the world, shaped by wants and fleeting pulls, chasing forms and names. But a quiet fire began to rise within, clearing what no longer served, turning noise to stillness. Now the mind reflects a higher light, no longer claiming the throne. It listens, it follows, it serves, a clear and willing instrument, carrying purpose into form, guided from a deeper place. The soul walks freely beyond the dust of pain, yet turns back with open hands to guide and heal, not bound by sorrow or reward, moving gently through the world, holding steady truth, steady truth. Now the mind reflects a higher light, no longer claiming the throne. It listens, it follows, it serves, a clear and willing instrument, carrying purpose into form, guided from a deeper place. Crystal catching sacred tones, bringing heaven into earth, seeing the plan unfold and choosing still to stay. The mind becomes a living bridge between the seen and unseen, a vessel shaped by devotion, serving the whole with quiet strength until all may walk in light and remember who they are.